In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at that plus sign to start creating a post, and then just select a photo in that way. Make sure that you've selected a regular photo, because if you select a live photo, video, or if you want to make a carousel post, that will not gonna work. Just select a regular photo and then hit on next. On that step, you will be able to add some filters to that photo. If you want, you can add one, and then tap on next. And that's where you can add a music to your post simply by tapping on add music. That will open up this page where you can select any song from that list. Also, you can tap at browse and search for a song in that way. You can search it by categories like hip hop, love, and a ton of other different categories. If you want to go into some category, you can tap at see more. Also, you can use your saved audios. To do that, just hit on saved. And then if you want to find some specific music, you can tap at search music and then search by artist or by song name in that way, and then just tap at that music, and that will allow you to select the exact part of this song that you want to use at your post. Also, you can tap right here at that circle and switch song duration. You can change it from 5 seconds up to 90 seconds in that simple way. And then once you have finished with that, you can just tap at done, and then you can continue creating your post as you normally do. And once you share it and someone will open up your post, the music will play over your post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.